Hey, Eric Sider here, and this is turn number 3, technically, with the compost. I'm calling one the first turn when we took it out of the cage, and we did a turn last week, and now we're on to the third turn, but it's only been 2 weeks with the birds interacting with it, and as you can see, they've done some work here, and which is pretty impressive considering they're still not fully grown. They're about basically 4 to 6 weeks old. And, but I think what's happening is with this system, since it's a concentrated space, they basically have no other option but to get busy with the compost. So just like you have more productivity per square foot in a smaller garden versus larger acreage because you can just pay more attention to what's going on. Hey, relax. Same thing with the birds. There's one pile in the cage. That's pretty much what they got to work with. So they're doing some impressive work. So I'm gonna take the manure from underneath the coop into the cage and turn this, and we'll see how we're doing. All right, here we go. We got our fresh turned compost. The chickens are right into it. Got fresh straw under the coop to collect the next week's manure. The old week's manure is in the cage. And we're at the midway point of potentially a 1 month's finished compost. And, things look like they're progressing. I definitely noticed it was a lot drier than I realized. So I'm going to have to be better about keeping it wet throughout the week, especially here in Sacramento. It's very dry at the moment, so otherwise things are moving along. Things are looking good. I'm going to be doing some foraging and harvesting for some compost material outside the site this week because the pretty much exhausted everything that was growing on site. But as the system matures, that should be less and less. All right, this is the latest shirt in the store. Permaculture is preparedness. Link will be below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.